brand new light covers in here with the actual LED bulbs on the inside. They crystal clear, man. So clear. Nice and bright, man. Nice and bright. Hey, what's up, YouTube? First and foremost, Happy New Year's, man. It's the first of the year. We're at the top of the year, and I'm in the shop. Had a long night last night. Had a lot of fun, you know. But anyway, back on Project Lex, and look, make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. A lot of y'all been looking at my analytics, hadn't been looking at them in a while. And man, the numbers is crazy. It's like, bro, majority. And I'm starting to get, my channel starting to pick up a little bit. But man, it's an enormous amount of people that watch the channel that aren't subscribed, man. So y'all gotta make sure y'all hit that subscribe. Support your boy, man, so I can do more of this. You know, and get my monetization on. I gotta hit 1,000 subscribers before I even get my monetization. So I can't, when I start getting the monetization, I can start putting all the money in the channel and pumping it in cars, you know, and it'll be a lot more, you know, a lot more interesting, you know, more exciting. Anyway, so Project Lex, I got the bumper back on. So let me kind of walk y'all through the things I did. Of course, I put this brand new light covers in here with the actual LED bulbs on the inside. They crystal clear, man. So clear. Changed the bulbs out of these. I actually painted these. I spray painted these with the plastic. I'm about to show you right now. Shit, what I spray painted with the Krylon Fusion gloss black paint. Put like 3 coats on there, and came out very, very well. We're gonna see how I hold up with the conditions. Painted my lower grill, of course. Put new bulbs on this side and this side. Now look, this problem right here. I told y'all I had ordered this piece for the light cover, which I did. Ordered it, painted it black, but there's one more piece on here that goes in here that connects the back of this to the back of that. It's a little plastic piece that goes smack in between, and I don't have that piece to make this sit up in here and connect. And I ain't gonna lie, I ain't the freaking, don't talk about this, a little orange peel on that. But anyway, it's not gonna sit up in here because that piece doesn't allow it to connect on to the washer dispenser thing or whatever. So I gotta make sure I just thought about something else too. I think I did. Yeah, I think I did do it. Okay, sweet. Because when you take these lights out, you got your washer hose that goes over, and it connects on the back of this module to so you can have water pressure going to this. And if you don't have that, the water will be skeeting out, falling down your bumper. I know I did it to this light over here, because I put this light on yesterday, or day before yesterday, but I put this one on before that. So, and I now remember connecting this side first, but I didn't check. I didn't do a double check, which I probably can get a flashlight and look up in there. Anyway, I painted this trim right here as well, same way with the I said Krylon, whatever, Fusion paint. Came out pretty damn good. Bumpers back on. The lip. Now, where we at with the lip? Let's check this out. So, what I did with the lip, and I just actually did it. I got it sitting on my 4-wheeler right now. I'm repairing the lip. So, I just finished doing the fiberglass. So, I got the fiberglass resin jelly right here with the hardener in the top and the fiberglass mesh. So what I did, I mixed up a batch of it, nice little whip up, put it on a little piece of wood, and I spread it out. I put it on each one of those sheets. I cut those that fiberglass sheet up in the strips, and I laid them and I pasted them on. I used let me show you what I, look, quick makeup what I did. Got a piece of board, and basically I just got a knife, a painter's knife, and before it was all sloppy, I mixed it all up, you know, made it all nice and creamy looking, and went ahead and spread it all on each one of the sheets, and I laid those sheets out of strips and painted them, you know, kind of painted them on. And then after that, I kind of took my knife and kind of flattened it out like a little spatula and made it kind of smooth or whatever. Well, it's been drying. It's only been drying about 20 minutes now, and it's pretty solid, and it's hot because of the chemical reaction that's taking place. This stuff is hot, man. So it's dry. Now, the thing about it, in order to get a nice little mold, what I did first, as you clearly see, I took the masking tape and I taped over the shape of the bumper to where I kind of have a mold to sit, and I put about 10 pieces of tape to kind of have a mold to kind of sit in and paste this in, so I won't have to worry about trying to shape it so much. Basically, I created a mold out of tape, and that's why it's all sitting in there nice and smooth, and it's basically the shape of the bumper already. So it's going to be minimal sanding and bondo that I have to do on it once that's completely cured and hard. I'll probably start that tomorrow. So, well, anyway, working with this little lip has been a very laborsome. Let me see, let me so it don't fall, because it's hard as hell trying to take this stuff off. I'm kind of stopping because this is getting real time consuming, and I'm probably gonna just wrap right over all of this, man. This not even thick enough to where that wrap, I don't think you even see it if I wrapped over it. I'm gonna wrap that whole bumper all over again and wrap right on top of that. But yeah, also I want y'all to see these lights, man, because got the engine bay all cleaned up. See these lights though, because they are bright. They are bright, man. Whoo, look at this. Look at this. Nice and bright, man. Nice and bright. Let me put the brights on, the high beams on, so you can see the high beams active. Beautiful white light. Beautiful white light, man. That's what we on. That's what we trying to do right there. We want that look right there. That crystal clear white lights, that 4-pack. Wanna see them 4 lights coming up behind you. That's it all day though. But yeah, man, it's that's a quick update just to let y'all know what's going on, what we got we're working on right now, and the next stage we on. Once I get this lip finished up, I'm gonna pop this lip on, wrap it, and then the Lexus will be back in drive mode. Although still I've been having this sitting up for a minute because this little wreck I got into kind of set me back on this. But this wing, the rear spoiler, it is coming, man. It is coming. We're gonna get the rear spoiler put on and get it all molded and shaped up. I'm gonna see how to do it. I never did body work like this before, so I'm gonna see what I gotta do to kind of get it on the right way and make sure everything fit and look right. And I can't wait till we do that either. So again, man, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Stay locked in, keep up with the details, share the videos, and also go back and look at the other videos, man. If you just your first video you watched, the first video you seen on my channel, go back and look at the history, man. Look at the backstory, look at the things that I've already done, the past videos, whether it's the Project Lex, whether you like projects, DIY, or even the new Project F, man. F-Type. We got more stuff coming with that, and I'm actually gonna drop a video soon with that, showing y'all the exhaust, man, because that's the video everybody wants to see. Everybody want to see that F-Type exhaust. So again, man, stay locked in, subscribe, deuces.